Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to set the language on the Novelist application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's my home screen, and if you want to set the language, go to the three line at the upper right corner of the home screen, and here go to the last option, the settings. New, in the first row you can find the second option, the language, and here you can select for example English, Espanol, Portuguese, Italiano or Francese. And if you want to do not set, click to the not set button. If you want to select another, just click that, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.